Okay, this is the Python script for the rotational tool. So here we have our setup with the BIOX Generation 3. So we have an extra axis motor here, a camera for the calibration, and another camera here for monitoring, and a switch between the y-axis and the rotative motor. So let's run here the app. So first thing is to load the file. So I'm gonna load the file that is already fixed. But with the tool, it is possible to fix the axis and the position of the model, of the STL file model and the axis of the model with this tool here. 3D model manipulation, so you can move the model or move the axis, have different isometric views, translate, rotate, as I demonstrated before. Yeah, so now I have made some profiles with different gauge, like a 14 gauge, 18 gauge, 22 gauge, and 25 gauge. For each of the gauge, I have different profile in terms of rotational speed in rads per second and feed rate in millimeters per second. So it might be synced as well with the slice cat, as it is the same feed rate. Okay, so let's load the first profile, which is for the gauge 14, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna run all the calculations to know exactly the tip of the nozzle where it needs to touch the model. So let's run and wait until it's finished. The calculation, it takes a while, like 1 minute. Let's wait until it's finished. So while it is calculating, I'm gonna explain this part. Let's see. So this part is where you have the starting point in the space, X, Y, and Z, where the tip of the nozzle starts touching the tip of the model, the stream to the right of the model. So you can print from the left to the right or from the right to the left. And it says as well how much is the length that is covered according to the profile that you select here for different gauge. So as I say, gauge 14, gauge 18, 22, and 25. So it finished the calculation already. So now you can visualize both the 2D and 3D, right? You can visualize the intersecting points. Yeah. So now I'm gonna send the G code, that is the inverted G code, which is the one that we need to print from the right to the left. Okay, and here is a reference image where we need to calibrate with the camera. So I'm gonna start the camera here. So this is the image, and as you can see here, let me show you. Here is a shape that you need to match with this shape, right? So if you click here, you can rotate to the right or rotate to the left until this image match with this image, which is the starting point. So this is the thing that the camera is recording here for this part of the model to be exactly at the angle that is required to start printing, right? So that's it. Let's then start the print. So now we're gonna send the inverted G code, send this. So now we can visualize as well a close-up while it is printing. So now we need to change to the rotational axis, and let's see. So now it's starting the print. We can visualize as well, as you can see here, but you can visualize here as well. So while it is rotating, it is printing, and as well here, while it is printing, just to monitor that everything is alright here. So you see that the distance between each of the lines is exactly the same. Let me show you. So the distance between this line and this line match with the other one, so there is no gaps. And this is for the gauge 14, right? That's it. So the two cameras are important just to check that you are printing in a current manner and without any disruption. So you can change between the gauge. So depending on the gauge, you can cover more or less area for your model. So let's wait until it finishes. Here we're gonna come back here. So let me explain one thing. So So as you can see here, this profile is for 15 millimeters. So let me show you. This is 15. So this is a caliper, and I'm gonna measure the area that is covered by this. So I'm gonna measure from here to here, more or less. Yeah, right there. Let me see, because it's not finishing yet the rotation. So yeah, it's finished already. So now it's doing the movement that is linear. And so from here to here, and this is 15 millimeters. So this is the area that is covered when you are selecting the gauge 40. So that's it. So that's all for now. Thank you.